Good morning, friends. Wow, look at my clock. It's saying that I'm right on time. I love it. Thank goodness. Facebook decided to work with us this morning, so that's good. Happy Wednesday. Put my glasses on. Oh, that's so much better. They work so much better when they're clean, don't they, you guys? Anyone who has glasses knows. Drinking my morning breakfast drink. I wonder what you guys had for breakfast today. Well, in any event, good morning. I am happy to be back with you this morning. We have some fun things to think about. Hi, Adeline. Good morning. Fun things to think about, lots of learning. I have a special recorded lesson well, it's not recorded yet, that I'm going to record for you guys. Good morning, Olivia. And I'll let you know, I'll post that on our Google Classroom page. And maybe it's something that the dads could help the kids with, or maybe someone other than mom. I wonder why that would be. Anyway, no matter how you are able to access that lesson when I put it up, I think it'll be fun. Good morning, Tessa. Hi, Annabelle. So I know a few more friends will probably be joining us. Good morning, Eric. Hi, Cece. And I think what we'll do is we'll start right in with our reading lesson. Our reading and writing lessons are going to be quick this morning. So let's get started. You ready? So yesterday in reading, I know that we worked on goals that connected to our superpowers, right? So your job yesterday was to think about what superpower you need to practice, and then set a goal to practice that superpower and do it. So hopefully everyone practiced that. It's nice, more than nice. I think it's helpful to set goals in our learning because it gives us something to strive for, something to look forward to, something to work towards. So today we're going to set a different kind of goal. Today we're going to set a time goal because there are lots of different kinds of goals we can set when we're doing our reading, right? Sometimes we could set superpower goals. Today we're going to set a time goal, how long we're going to read for. So maybe when you're reading, maybe you're reading for 5 minutes, and maybe you'll challenge yourself and set your goal and add, I don't know, 2 more minutes to your reading time. You guys get to decide. You can think about what goal you want to set. But I want to remind you that when we were in school and we were doing reading stamina, and of course it's different when we're in school, but you guys were reading for 15 minutes. Do you remember? And before that, we were reading for even longer, and it was too long. Mrs. Pagnotti thought, oh, that's just too long. You could do it. We could read almost for a half an hour, which was incredible. But that's a long time to be sitting and doing one job. Good morning, Amelia. So today, think about how long you normally read and challenge yourself to read a little bit longer. You could use a timer to help you. You could just look at the clock and look at what time you start and what time you finish. That would help figure out your time. Maybe your family has an iPad, or if you have a Chromebook, you could find a timer online. Remember when we did our reading groups, I had that fancy timer. Maybe I could find a link for that and put it up on Google Classroom. I'll see if I can do that. I'm going to make a note to myself. If I don't write it down, I will forget. I'll see if I can find that timer because everybody really liked that. It was a visual timer. Visual timer. I'll put a link to it on our classroom. So maybe if you have a Chromebook or you have an iPad or a phone, you could go to that and use that as your timer. Hi, Harry. Hi, Josh. Good morning, boys. We're talking about making time goals for reading. So our goals today are going to be all about how long we're going to spend during our reading stamina time. And I'm encouraging you to challenge yourself and make a goal that's a little bit longer than what you've normally been doing. And I know that you guys really like that timer that we used at the back table. So I'm going to find the link when I get off the computer, and I'm going to post it on our Google Classroom page, okay? So that's what we're doing in reading today. I think that's a doable job. You guys can set a goal, write it down, write your goal down, how many minutes you want to read, and then see if you can do it. And you know what? If you don't make your goal today, you could try it another day, and that is okay. Because sometimes we set a goal and we don't always accomplish it. But if we have a goal, we can go back and revisit it and keep working towards that goal, which is always a good thing. So now I want to talk about writing. Today we have a guest teacher, which I'm very excited about. She is a teacher. I don't know her personally, but I found her as I was learning about teaching online. And she is a teacher who teaches the same curriculum that we use in Plymouth. So she teaches all of the same lessons. And I'm not sure if she's a classroom teacher or if she's a teacher like Mrs. Dolan in our class, a CTL teacher, a teacher of literacy. But either way, she makes amazing lessons. And one of the first things I saw was a video that showed how she figured out how to use her phone to make a document camera. And she was so excited that she had figured that out that she shared it with all of the teachers online. So all of the teachers. And now she's been making these awesome teaching videos. And today she's going to teach you about perspective. Do you remember we talked a teeny tiny little bit about perspective when we read the Duck Rabbit book? Perspective is how you look at things. And she's going to talk about that. And she's going to have you think about your writing and think about your perspective. And she's going to challenge you a little bit. And I think it will be good. And I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. I hope that everyone had a chance yesterday to write a little bit about what they maybe don't like so much about this distance learning. There are lots of good things, and then there are some things that aren't so good. And today we're going to talk about looking at the things that aren't so good and thinking about our perspective. So tune into that. That video is on the grid in our classroom, Google Classroom, so you'll be able to find that. And I can't wait to see the writing that you do after you listen to her lesson. It's really short. I think it's, I don't know, maybe 5-10 minutes tops. I don't even think it's 10 minutes. You'll really like it. She's really engaging. So anyway, oh, and she's from like Boston. She's from close to us. So she's not a teacher from far away. She's a teacher from within Massachusetts. So that's exciting. So those are the things we're doing in our learning today. But why don't we get started with our morning meeting? I'm going to take out our schedule. I've put everything next to me on a chair in the kitchen. It's so funny how you have to adapt to this new learning. Every day I'm learning something new that helps me do a better job. So we have already arrived. We're in morning meeting. Next we'll have creative time. Then read aloud and writing. Lunch. Listen to reading, read to self, chores. I should fix that so it says read to self. So you're going to work on your goal during this time, right? Drawing and quiet time, math. And today is Wednesday, so we do not have fun with friends. But tomorrow will be Thursday, and we will have fun with friends. And tomorrow's challenge will be show and tell, followed by puzzles. So that will be fun. So I hope everyone comes for show and tell and puzzles tomorrow. It's always fun to share something with your friends. And as always, show and tell would be school appropriate. All right, so now we know what our day is going to look like. Get those pointer fingers ready. I'm going to move my screen around a little bit, friends, so that I can read the morning message. Are you ready? Here's my pointer finger. Here it goes. Whoop, right over to my message. Hello, friends. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. We will practice music today. I wonder if you're still making music on the music website. I wonder what the challenge for music is. I don't know. The sounds of the week are vowel sounds. And today we're working on the vowel I. The words of the week are love, all, will, and had. So let's go right into our vowel sound for the vowel I. And remember, all vowels have two sounds, right? They have a short sound and they have a long sound. The long sound says its name. So when you hear I, like in the word ice or ice cream or nice or kind or find or shine. When you hear I, you know the letter you're going to use when you're writing is the letter I, right? And if you're reading words and you see the letter I, first you might try the I, because that's the short sound. I. Can you say that? Like, it reminds me of when you're playing ball and the ball goes in the net. So, I. I says I. So let's look at the pictures of all the short vowel sounds, and we're going to sound them out, and we're going to chunk those words. So we'll say the beginning sound, and then we'll say the word part at the end. Okay, that's called chunk. We're going to chunk the sounds. So beginning sound and word part sound. So you can use your finger and point as we're doing this if you'd like, but you don't have to. P, pig, pig. Bib, bib, bib. Ooh, I see ip, chip, chip. I love chips. Do you like chips? Yum, yum, yum. Pit, pit. And sick, sick. We're all working really hard not to get sick, right? So those are all examples of short I sounds, short I words. So today you could play a vowel game. You could do a vowel search. You could make a list. You could draw some pictures. See where you notice short vowel I words in your life. See where you notice them. All right, friends, let's go to our word of the day. Our word of the day is all. Can we read that together? All. Now let's look at that word and notice. What do you notice about that word? You know what I noticed right away? And I wonder if you notice this too. I notice that all has two L's, just like the word next to it, will. That's kind of funny how those words both end in LL. You know what I'm also thinking about? I'm thinking that all could be a word part. All could be a word part. I'm thinking of some words like fall and ball and tall. All could be a word part. Noticing there's one vowel. I'm noticing at least one letter in my name. Well, just one letter in my name. Wonder if any of those letters are in your name. And I'm noticing one short letter and two tall letters. So now that we've noticed all those things, let's spell that word. And we're going to tap it out because that's good practice for our brain. So I'm going to turn to the side so you can see me tap out the word A-L-L, all. A-L-L, all. A-L-L, all. Now let's do the other arm. A-L-L, all. A-L-L, all. A-L-L, all. All right. Now the next step, we're going to, hi Rory, hi Autumn. We're going to write that word using our fingers in the sky. A-L-L, all. A-L-L, all. A-L-L, all. Nice work, friends. So, can you use the word all in a sentence? Can you tell someone at your house a sentence with the word all in it? I know you can. I'm thinking of a sentence too. Let me see. What sentence am I going to say? Ooh, here's a sentence. I hope we all get to see Grandpa Turtle's Google Meet on Thursday. Did you hear? Grandpa Turtle's going to read a live story on Google Meet. I am so excited. I can't wait to see him read live. I miss seeing him every Thursday. It will be so much fun. I think he is very brave to learn all of this new technology so he can stay connected with you. What do you guys think about that? I bet you think the same thing. It's very, very exciting and very empowering to see someone learning new things, just like we're learning how to learn from home. We're all learning so much. It's really, really exciting. All right, friends, so this is what we're going to do. You ready? We're going to count the days. Yesterday I did this in a different order, but I've made a decision. We're going to count the days on our calendar. Then we're going to practice the special number of the day, and then we'll do weather. Did you have a fun Cinco de Mayo? Did anyone have Taco Tuesday last night? I wonder. I didn't have Taco Tuesday. My family, they're not really a big fan of tacos. So we had tortellini instead. It starts with the same sound. Let's count. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have been in the month of May for 6 days. Whoop, right here. And we're already halfway through this week. Don't the weeks go by quickly? They feel like they go by quickly here at my house. I wonder if they feel that way at your house. So now we are going to look at the next number. And I was trying to decide if I should go in order with the teen numbers or if I should jump around. Excuse me. And then I decided, you know what? I'm just going to go in order because that makes sense. Why make it more challenging when we can go in order? And then later on, I was thinking I could have a deck of cards and we could pull a card out and that could be the number of the day. And we could keep practicing with number of the day. Or maybe you could even do that as a practice at home. We'll have to wait and see. We'll see what we decide. So today, our number of the day, and I was going to do a clipboard and I forgot. I'm not even sure if I have a clipboard at home. The number of the day is 13. You know what? I can use my distance learning folder to help me. That's what I'll do. Oh, I could even put it on the back and write on the back. That's a great idea. Maybe tomorrow. So the number of the day is 13. So there it is, 1, 10, and 3 ones. And I wrote the number 13 out. So now, what is 1 less than 13? If you were to count backwards, 13, go back 1. What is the number that comes before 13? Does anyone know? You're right, it's number 12. So I'm going to write the 12 right here. Does anyone know what 1 more would be? So if we're thinking 13, what would 1 more? It would be the next number in the count. So I might count in my head 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Did you think 14? A 14 is 1 10 and 4 ones. It looks like that. 14. Now it says write the next three numbers. And I think I'm going to expand our counting and I'm going to start from 14. So what comes after? What are the next three numbers after 14 if we're counting? Let's think. 14, 15, 16, 17. Here we go. Ready? 15, 16, 17. And all of those numbers have 1, 10, and then some more ones, right? Can you see where the 1, 10 is and the ones? So now I'm going to draw it. I'm going to draw 13. And I think today I'm going to draw 13 smiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That looks like fun. So I'm going to put my number 13 here. What number bond did I draw? How many are in this section of my picture? Do you know? You're right, 10. So I'm going to write 10. And how many are in this section of my picture? That's right, 3. So I'm going to write 3. So that's my number bond because 10 plus 3 equals 13, right? So now we're going to do tally marks. So if I know that 10 plus 3 equals 13, in my tally marks, in my mind, you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking, how am I going to make 10 tallies? That would be 2 groups of 5, right? That's what I'm thinking. So I'm going to have 2 groups of 5, and then I'm going to have 3 more. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to count on because we're practicing counting this week. You see? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are my 2 groups of 5. That equals 10. 11, 12, 13. That's 13. So now down here, I'm going to make 13 in my 10 frames. And my brain, the way my brain works is I start with a 10 and then I add on more to make my teen numbers. So I'm going to do a full 10 frame. And you could do it differently, but this is how my brain works. And you might do it how your brain works. And then I'm going to make 3. That shows 13. So 13 is our number of the day. That was fun. All right, now we're going to move on to our weather. So friends, when I first got up, it was sunny and I was so excited. But now I'm looking out and you know what I see? I don't see rain. I see a very big fat squirrel in my woods. But besides that, I see some clouds. So I think for today, I'm going to have to say at my house, it's cloudy. Is it cloudy at your house? I wonder if it's cloudy at your house. So I'm going to color in a cloudy day. Here, I'll show you what that looks like. Here's my cloudy day. Can you see it? So now we have 2 cloudy days. We have 1 rainy day. We have 1 sunny day. So cloudy has 1 more than sunny, and cloudy has 1 more than rainy. Rainy and sunny days are less than the cloudy days. Oh my goodness. My October is falling down. So now we're going to look at the temperature. Ooh, that was my phone. Yikes. That's not good. Here we go. You ready? I had a feeling it was going to be this. It was going to be in the 50s. Oh, I'm so glad it's sunny at your house, Tessa. I hope it stays sunny. Enjoy the sun while you have it. So it says sunny in Plymouth. Maybe I'm just that much closer to Cape Cod that it's a little bit less sunny for me. But it's okay. 52 degrees. And let's see, how about the wind? The wind is 6 miles an hour, and it says that it feels like 48. We're going to write 52. 52 degrees, and I'm going to color that in green because green is our color code for temperatures in the 40s and 50s. Hopefully we'll have more yellow as we go along through the month of May. Filling in my squares a little bit here. So let's see, here we go. Another 50-degree day. So far we have 3 50-degree days recorded plus 1 60-degree day. So we have recorded 4 days so far that we've been in school during the month of May. All right, friends. So I don't think I have anything else I need to tell you. I hope that everybody watches the writing video later and enjoys that. And you can let me know what you think. I can't wait to see your writing for this week. I'm still going through writing and different pictures from last week. I've seen so many amazing, amazing, amazing pieces of work. You guys are really doing an awesome job working from home. I'm very proud of all of you. I know that it's different, but you're working really hard. So keep up the good work. Keep up the learning. It's really important. And I will see everyone back here tomorrow at Morning Meeting Live. So have a great day, friends. See you later. Bye.